Welcome back to Indirect Connection. Today, I'm going to be working on my 2020 Ram 1500. Installing a cord for the engine block heater. For some reason, Ram, so I had to put the plug all the way back here behind the airbox. So anytime you want to plug the truck in, you have to have the hood open and try to either drape it over the fender or out of the front of the truck. I can undo this a little bit, but it only makes it to about here. So what I'm going to do is try to run it down behind the airbox or under the airbox, down the radiator support, behind the bumper, and out of the hole for the tow hook. At least that's the plan. We'll see. For the record, it's 13 degrees right now, but tomorrow's supposed to be -10. So this is the warm day to do this, because as usual I always forget during the summer. Well, another downside of it being cold out, nothing wants to flex ever. Right now, looking for places to get this through here without chafing on the sharp metal pieces and radiator support. Which seems to be easier said than done. Really gotta start doing this stuff in summer. I also gotta be careful. This thing has an active air dam, so I have to make sure it doesn't get in between that and the cord. Oh, that was cold. That is what the underside of the truck looks like. That's the back side of the tow hook. I ran it up. It's not touching anything that's sharp. Rolls up and goes around the airbox. Alright. This side you really can't see it, but have it under the airbox. She wrote it next to it. I tied it all together. I'll cut these ends off. But this sits here. Shouldn't move around. That's the plug. I am going to put some dielectric grease in the connection. And now I can actually get to the plug without having the hood open. In total, this project was about $12. So there are other options out there. There's one on Amazon that actually plugs into, or you drill a hole in the bottom of the air dam here. It's like a marine plug. That's actually what I was going to do, but I mean 30 versus 12, and really the only time I plug it in was negative temperatures. Tomorrow is supposed to be 10 below zero, so I'll plug it in for a while then. So anyways, like, share, subscribe. See you next one. Bye-bye.